Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the exciting leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. As one of the most awaited drones in the DJI lineup, the Mini 5 Pro has generated significant buzz among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Known for its compact size and impressive capabilities, the Mini series has always been a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. Let's delve into the potential features, design upgrades, and the expected release date of this groundbreaking drone. The legacy of the DJI Mini series. DJI has long been a pioneer in the drone industry, consistently setting new standards with each release. The Mini series, in particular, has carved out a niche for itself by offering lightweight drones packed with advanced features. From the original Mini to the Mini 4 Pro, each iteration has brought innovative upgrades while maintaining a sub-249g weight, making them compliant with global drone regulations. The Mini series has gained popularity among hobbyists and professionals who seek high-quality aerial footage without the bulk of larger drones. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or shooting cinematic videos, the Mini series has proven to be a reliable companion. What's new with the DJI Mini 5 Pro? According to recent leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to revolutionize the lightweight drone market. Here are some of the potential features and enhancements that have surfaced. 1. LiDAR technology. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of LiDAR technology, a feature currently available in high-end models like the DJI Air 3S. If true, this would make the Mini 5 Pro the first ultra-lightweight drone to incorporate LiDAR, enhancing its obstacle avoidance and precision mapping capabilities. This addition could elevate the Mini 5 Pro's performance, particularly in complex environments where precise navigation is crucial. 2. Enhanced motors. The leaked images suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature vented motors, potentially offering more power and efficiency. This upgrade could improve flight stability and performance, especially in windy conditions. However, maintaining the sub-249g weight limit while incorporating these enhancements will be a significant engineering challenge. 3. Improved camera system. The Mini series is renowned for its exceptional camera quality, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to raise the bar even higher. Speculations hint at a larger sensor, improved low-light performance, and advanced shooting modes. These upgrades could make the Mini 5 Pro a top choice for photographers and videographers seeking professional-grade results. 4. Design upgrades. Leaked images from platforms like Weibo reveal a redesigned airframe with a more aerodynamic profile. This new design could enhance the drone's flight efficiency and reduce wind resistance, contributing to longer flight times. 5. Advanced battery technology. Balancing new features with the weight constraint is no easy task, and the battery is likely where trade-offs will occur. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a more compact yet efficient battery system, potentially sacrificing some flight time for the sake of other enhancements. Release date and pricing speculations. While the excitement around the DJI Mini 5 Pro is palpable, its release date remains a topic of speculation. Leaks suggest a potential launch in the summer of 2025, aligning with DJI's typical release patterns. However, the timeline is still tentative, and delays are always a possibility. As for pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to position itself as a premium offering within the Mini series. With its advanced features, it's likely to come with a higher price tag compared to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. However, DJI's commitment to delivering value ensures that the Mini 5 Pro will offer exceptional performance for its price. The credibility of the leaks. When it comes to drone rumors, not all leaks are created equal. Trusted insiders like Jasper Ellens have expressed cautious optimism about the Mini 5 Pro leaks. While some details might seem speculative, the involvement of reputable sources lends credibility to the information. For instance, the leaked images and accompanying text from Weibo have sparked significant interest. The post claims that the Mini 5 Pro will weigh 249g, feature LiDAR technology, and include a more powerful motor. While these claims are exciting, it's essential to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism until official announcements are made. Challenges in development. Developing a drone as advanced as the Mini 5 Pro while adhering to strict weight limits is no small feat. Engineers face the challenge of balancing performance, features, and weight to create a product that meets regulatory requirements without compromising quality. Achieving this balance will require innovative solutions and meticulous attention to detail. The future of DJI drones. As DJI continues to innovate, the Mini 5 Pro represents a glimpse into the future of drone technology. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible within the lightweight category, DJI is poised to maintain its leadership in the industry. Stay tuned to technology in the future for the latest updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other exciting tech innovations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses and reviews. With so much anticipation surrounding the Mini 5 Pro, it's clear that DJI's next release will be one to watch. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a newcomer to the hobby, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.